Good morning. So this is our breakfast, guys. And with three. Acha. It's very cold now here in the village, and when you wake up in the morning, it's freezing cold. So yan ang mga gamit. Si Mommy busy. Mommy is busy. Mommy. Side okay. Nagawa ako ng chai. Lahat sila naghahakot doon. So yun guys, nagpo-boil ako ng chai. Ibigay namin sa naghahakot. Ito ako ngayon ng dal guys. Ayan. Dal. Tapos rice. Ayan yung mga spices ko. Ito na yung kamatis. Tapos nailagay ko ng ayan siya. I'm making khichdi for Anvit, and I'm making also chai for Mommy and Shorty. We're gonna drink chai. Nasa pressure cooker pa yung food ni Anvit. Ang daming makan guys, oh. Makanan tsaka ghee. Yan, oh. Ito yung kagandahan. This is the advantage if you're living in village, guys. See? This is from our buffalo. We also install our internet. Everything is installed already. And also our bed is here already, guys. Everything that we have in Gurugram. Ayan na yung wifi namin. Nakakabit na siya. Currently, I'm making chai here because we're gonna have our breakfast actually, and we're not making roti because Mommy is making bajri roti. We're eating it for winter, guys, because it's like a little bit warm for the body. So every day she's making it, and it tastes very nice with makan. So, ito na yung chai ko, guys. Normally, I'm drinking chai only here because coffee, very rarely. Hey, Mommy is making roti. Bajra ki roti. Ah. Chai. This is our breakfast, guys. Every day. So, with the chai. Anvit 3. अच्छा हटिट
पैलेट की बना दो।
हटिट
माय गॉड
So we are here right now in Anterino house. One of my friend here in the village. And this is, see, Anvit is here. Friend Trisha is there. So I'm not getting bored of course here, guys, in the village because I have a lot of friends here to visit also. So that's very good. Ito. Hello. Ang dami niyang kagat ng lamok. Kagat ng lamok yan, guys, kasi ang daming lamok dito sa village. Go. Go. Good morning, everyone. Today is raining. Too much rain. And Mommy's making bajra. Very cold, guys. It's a very difficult time when it's raining and it's winter. Ma, what you need? Gusto niya lumabas. He wants to go out there, in the rain.
वो वाली दूंगी Dede. Katungog. Jangan backpack. Ay, cutie pie. You cutie pie.
Super gulo. Ayan. Hello to everyone. Good morning. Good morning po. Rico. Ang kulit eh. Kiye. It's raining outside. Oh my god. Aray ko. Hoy, he will fall down po. So I just finished fixing our bed over here upstairs, and I'm gonna go down now to check. And it's still raining here, guys, and it's very cold here in our village. I couldn't clean outside of our room. My husband was in Rotak today, and he was still at work.
चोराई होती
This
चोराई
churai.
हाँ
This is 3 na.
हाँ
3,
30 Tiari.
30.
और किलो की लंबाई
Lambay is long. Long na? Long. 30 long.
60 long.
6 किलो
60 long. क्या?
Plot.
Upload. अच्छा. कौन सा? रोहतक?
हाँ कितने
अच्छा.
तक हो गए
ओ समझ गई. समझ गई गए समझ.